Welcome back to my channel, Math Brain, and today we have a really interesting and tricky challenge. A lot of students might be saying, okay, this is the easiest challenge I've ever seen, division, multiplication, so I learned this stuff in the second grade, so that's fantastic. So go ahead and put your answer down into the comment section. We have three options, A, B, and C, so choose one option where you think is correct and write your option down into the comment section. We will check our answers here in just 30 seconds, so it will be really interesting to check our answers. So first of all, I want to start with this first interpretation. So let's start with this first interpretation. So we have 4 divided by 4 times 4 divided by 4. And a lot of students solve this question like that. They say, okay, we have right here division. We have the same division on the right hand side of this multiplication sign. So in this division we have 1. In this division we also have 1 because absolutely the same division with this multiplication in the middle. So the last step multiply one of each other. So right here we have 1. So when this is option A. So a lot of students solve this question like that. They say that A is a correct answer. But in terms of math, it's really great to know about order of operation because we can't solve our challenges randomly. We can't solve our challenges wherever we want, and it's not work only in math. We should know what is the correct order, correct property, correct rule in terms of biology, chemistry, or different science. Yeah, so we should know what is the correct order to do this problem in terms of math. And right now, let's rewrite this challenge. So we have 4 divided by 4 times 4 divided by 4. So here is our challenge. And let's solve this question according to this PEMDAS order of operation. So this is our second interpretation, and we will solve this challenge according to PEMDAS order of operation. Okay, so right here we have division multiplication sign, but a little notes from me about this PEMDAS. This PEMDAS works from the top to the bottom. So the first step, we should evaluate the expression inside parentheses. The next step, we should evaluate exponent. The next step, multiplication division part, and the next step, addition and subtraction part. Okay, so let's scan what elements do we have in our challenge. We have division and we have multiplication. Where do we have these steps? We have right here multiplication, we have right here division, and obviously we don't have any addition sign, we don't have any subtraction sign, we don't have any exponent, we don't have any parentheses. Okay, so here's our explanation about PEMDAS. But what is the correct order to do this problem? What tells us PEMDAS, what order we should find, what order can we solve this challenge? So according to PEMDAS, we should write the left-hand side, we should right-hand side, and we should go in a strict order from left to right, because multiplication division have the same priority. So we should find what is the first sign from left to right, and it doesn't matter what the sign will be, like multiplication division, we should start from this sign. First of all, we have division sign from left to right at first. So we should divide 4 divided by 4. So 4 divided by 4 equal to 1. Okay, next we have multiplication sign by 4 and division by 4. So I just rewrite this expression, what we still have right here. Right now, once more, what is the first sign from left to right? Multiplication or division? Let's scan. First sign from left to right is this multiplication. So we should multiply 1 times 4, which is equal to 4. So we have 4 divided by 4, which is equal to 1. And this is the same option A, but a really tricky moment right here. Same answers, different solution. How it happens like that? And a lot of students confused about these solutions, a lot of students confused about this answer, and of course they ask me what is the correct answer, what is the correct solution. I tell them, okay, obviously, correct answer is option A, correct answer is 1. This is 100%, but what is the correct solution? If you look closely to this solution, we have right here division, we have right here division, but the main thing is that we jump from left to right. So we just jump, we just divide at first, we forget about this multiplication. So we do something like that. We have parentheses right here in our head, and we can easily do this. But in our case, we don't have parentheses. We have a regular expression, so we doesn't allow like to jump from left to right. We should start from this parenthesis at first, which is equal to 1. From this parenthesis at second, this is equal to 1, but this is with parentheses. So forget about this option A if you're talking about exactly this solution. This is a very bad solution. What about a correct solution? Correct solution is in the second interpretation. So from left to right, step by step division right here, multiplication right here, and we have division as our last step. So we should solve this question like that. Division, multiplication, division is a correct order of operation, and of course correct answer is A. And obviously I want to show you a really great trick according to math, because if we have 4 divided by 4 times 4 divided by 4, if you look closely right here in the middle we have division by 4 and multiplication by 4. So it changed nothing, because it looks like plus 5 minus 5 times 7 divided by 7. So it looks like we can easily cancel this expression in the middle. We still have 4 division by 4, which is equal to which is equal to 1. So the correct answer and the correct solution is in this second interpretation. And also, don't feel bad if you got this wrong. If you need help with any of these classes, I have a lot of videos on my YouTube channel. So with that being said, see you in the next videos and have a great day.